Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, and a good day to everyone. My name is Dr. Kamran Qureshi, and today we are going to be doing a procedure which is called Regenera Activa. This technology basically is taking a small piece of the skin, and along with the follicle we'll be taking that, and then we'll be processing it in a machine which is here. I'll be showing you that as well. And basically we will be getting the cells which we will be getting out would be progenitor cells, which will be differentiating between the stem cells and would be leading towards proliferation of the follicles. So in simple words, what we are trying to achieve is thicker hair, regrowth of hair, and along with that more hair and a fuller head. Now if we look at this product, this has been there in the market for some time, and we have a lot of evidence which clearly suggests that this is a good product. If you look at the benefits, because this procedure needs to be done or repeated after 1 to 2 years. So if we look at that, and if we look at other things which we are doing for the hair growth, it may be a good choice. The result starts to show in 1 month's time and will be improving over the next months after that 1 month, and we will be definitely seeing good benefit there. So we will be going through the procedure, and while we are going through the procedure, I'll explain more in detail that what we are doing and what actually is happening. Client of ours who is our own doctor, and I'll just be introducing you to Dr. Amir as well, because he was having an issue of losing hair. So I'll introduce you to, today he's a client, but normally he's a doctor who's working on people's teeth, our one and only Dr. Amir. He is seeing problem as far as his hair is concerned. So, Ji Amir, kaise? How are you?
Sir, I am
good.
I am absolutely fine.
Okay,
and
so
looking forward for something better out of it.
Definitely, we'll definitely get something better out of this, and you'll share your experience.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so we'll start with the procedure. Okay, so if you look, this is the back of the neck, and we'll just be requiring to make a small little, this area we'll need to shave this, and from here we'll be doing 3 biopsies, and we'll be applying a local, so he wouldn't be feeling any pain, and we'll take out a very, very small piece from this area. So I'll just shave this area off. I think this should be enough for us. So when I'll put his hair back, so he wouldn't be seeing anything. So this is the Regenera cones, and I'll be opening and see what is inside here. So, and now that I've opened it, you can see that this is the cone which has come out of it, and this cone is going to be, once we've placed the skin and the tissue which we are going to take from the biopsy into this. This is a Regenera machine for the activation of the progenitor cells that we took out, and using this cone we'll be doing that. So now that we have the cone open, so we'll take this cover off this, carefully place it here, and you can see a hole here. I'll be putting in 1.2 cc of normal saline into this, and you can see here there's a blade here, and there is these perforations on the other side. So on this perforation side we'll be putting the tissue which we'll be taking out from the biopsy. So this is 1.2 cc normal saline, and we'll just be putting this normal saline here, so not touching, and then we'll do the punch biopsy to take out the tissue. This is a 2.5 mm punch biopsy, and we'll just be doing 3 punches and take out the tissue, and then we'll be putting it into the cone again. Okay, so we're just going to sterilize this area with Biodine. So this is the tissue that we have taken, and as you can see it's very small pieces, and there was no pain whatsoever. And I'll just be picking up this tissue and placing it into the side as I told you. So as you can see where I placed this. So after placing this, we just need to rotate the blade in this way so that I have brought the blade on top of the tissues that are placed inside. Now I'll be closing this, and after closing this I need to just make sure that it's secure. And now I will be placing it into this stand here, and there is this RFID code which I need to scan onto the machine, and see the green light has become solid, which means that it has detected it. So now the calibration is done. After the spin, what has happened is that we have gotten this, and this is the tissue plus saline. So what this machine has done is that it has, in this cone which I showed you earlier, so on certain revolutions it has basically shred this whole tissue and made a mix of the tissue and the saline, which is in form of this extract which we have right now. And I prefer using a 1 cc needle, and I used a 4 mm needle on top of it to inject. So I'll be injecting now, so I'll be applying a local block just to cover this area and make the whole this front part of the scalp numb, and I'll try to cover as much up to the crown area as possible.